In this part 4, we are going to see the authentication in web services. There are two necessary parameters for the web service invocation. First one is API key. It is one of the necessary parameters for an external application to be able to invoke a REST or SOAP web service. It must have the values of an valid API key, that is to say, generated in an active secure room, which it is assigned to the web service. There are two ways to transfer the API key. In a cookie, the name must be API key and the value API key of the secure room, and in an HTTP header, API key must be the name of the header and the value must be the API key of the secure room. User data. This is the second parameter we need for the web service invocation. This value, which will identify the user who is being invoked, is necessary for the Quantic system SOAP web services, or for the customized ones, like the IM or EM, both SOAP and REST. If it is not indicated, the web service won't be invoked. User data can be transferred as a parameter or cookie, the same way as the API key. To obtain the necessary value of the user data, we will have to go to the employee record that we are going to use for the invocation. We have here the employee record, and in here we will get the user data information we need. Let's go now to the installation to see how we create this. So firstly, we need to go to structure and to a class of processes. Let's find it here. It will be easier. Okay. And now, if we go to the IM, we have here web services. So we are going to activate the web service option. Type, I'm going to choose SOAP and REST, both of them. Name, I'm going to call it test as well, and save. We can see how the URLs have been created immediately, one for the SOAP and one for the REST. Once we have done this, we all need to do is to create a secure room. Save and exit. And let's go to structure, secure rooms. So we need to click on web service and create. We're going to call it test as well and continue. And here we can see we have the API key. This is the parameter, one of the parameters we need to transfer. But first of all, I need to edit the assignment. And we have here test, and we have it twice because we chose SOAP and REST. So one will be the SOAP one and the other one will be the REST one. Here we can see the SOAP and REST web services we have just created. So now that we have the first parameter configured, we just need to save and exit and go and find the second one, which is the user data. For that, we just need to go to the employee record and in here. And as we can see, that is the user data. So now we have both parameters, the parameters we need for a web service invocation. And this shall be all for this block.